Tal of love, guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Saturday here, and just here with the kids to help out with planting some more taro. Paawati and Uncle have been planting this whole piece this week and last week, so I'm just on my days off, which is Saturday, I try to come and finish off where I can. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. Why we don't plant during the dry season is because the soil gets too solid and compact, and as a result it makes it quite hard for planting. So best time to plant is towards the rainy season, during the rainy season, and that way the soil is nice and loose and moist. So it makes it easier to plant. You can see this also. So this one's the round-headed one, but there's also what do you call, a flat-head one. The round-head one is perfect for trying to make holes, but not so much as getting that first penetration into the soil. Side to side is to make sure that there's enough, the soil is loose around the taro once we plant it, also giving it enough space for the comb to grow as it goes. See the size of that hole. So that's about that deep. So that's a really deep hole. There you go. And the reason why we keep it deep, because of this 4-month variety, it actually grows upwards. So the comb is going to take the space of the hole, and then it'll keep on coming upwards and outwards. You guys can see most of the trees, the larger ones here, have all been the skin been scraped off. It's called ring barking, and this is what do you call? Sort of traditional way to kill off the plant, the tree, so that it can stop growing. So after probably another few months, it'll dry up, as that tree in the far end there, if you can see. So that tree was also ring barked, and I think it's about 8 months because it's a larger tree. So these ones will be fairly quick, and once the plant dies out, most of the leaves will be gone, and then the shade will be gone too, and then as a result, more sunshine for the taro. So those are the taro that we were harvesting during the week to sell, and as you can see, we're no longer wasting the taro by cutting the tiapula, with an inch on it. We're actually saving the tiapula now so that we can replant them. So the boys left the tiapula here after harvesting some taro. They replanted a few of them on the other side over there. So I thought on Saturdays what I should do is just come and see if there's any leftover tiapula that hasn't been planted, and then plant those so that when the boys come next week they can start straight on planting new ones. So that's just to ensure that the tiapula doesn't go to waste. So see over there, that's probably good. It's a good 10 minutes gone on one hole. Still not deep enough, but it's a good experience. Get the kids trying it out. So yeah, Dila uma. So Uncle just joined us. We're cutting trees at the plantation at the back of the house, so we're almost done now, and then we're going to head home. le ule amo. Ai. Le ule amo. Ke vai me le ule amo. Kaminga. So done now. Gonna head off with the kids. Meet up with Uncle at the cattle farm. And yeah, that's us. That's it for us today. All of the tiapula that was harvested has been planted, and yeah, job well done. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. We really enjoyed making it, and we really appreciate the support you guys give us here on the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share our channel. Our merch store is almost up, so just a few tweaks and then it'll be up and running. So every purchase you guys make will really help us on the farms. Until then, God bless and stay safe.